This is the Mottled Parrot, one of the cutest mounts in the game. And today, guess what? We're gonna catch it. Let's go!
To tame the mottled parrot, you will need mottled parrot feed, wood club, saddle, fishing rod, and crawl baits. To create the mottled parrot feed, you will need abalone, wheat feed, and chili feed. To obtain abalone, you will need fishing rod and crawl baits. You can fish abalone in this area. You can obtain wheat and chili by picking it up or by farming. I recommend these locations for picking up wheat. I recommend these locations for picking up chili. Go to your nearest workbench to create your wheat feed and chili feed. Once you have gathered all the materials, go to your cooking pot and mix the wheat feed, chili feed, and abalone to create the mottled parrot feed. Once you've gathered all the materials, go to one of these locations to finally spot the mottled parrot. Once you've dealt at least 70% damage, hit it with your club to stun, then feed, then click your saddle, and then boom, there you have it! Here's how cute the mottled parrot is! Thanks for watching!